Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Can anyone tell me that what is date today? Yes, very good. Today is 9 January 2024. And what is day today? And today is Tuesday. According to Islamic calendar, what is date today? Yes, very good. 26 Jumada Sani 1445 हिजरी। And if you do आज है 9 जनवरी 2024 मंगल यौमुल सलासा। Okay class, it's your computer lesson and today we are going to revise our chapter number 8, spreadsheet software. So let's start. Computer chapter number 8. Spreadsheets. Can anyone tell me that what are spreadsheets? Yes, very good. And what is spreadsheet software? Yes, very good. Spreadsheet software are application program. Can anyone tell me that what is application programming? Yes, Hansla. Very good. There is difference between application software and system software because we use system software to do our routine tasks and application software for specific tasks. Very good. So these spreadsheet software are also a specific task, and for what specific task we use spreadsheet software? Yes, for financial reasons. Okay class, so what are the financial reasons for what we use spreadsheet software? Yes, very good. Financial reasons may maybe our mark sheets, maybe the data which we use for our business. Yes, very good. Okay class, spreadsheet is made on Microsoft Excel, and the worksheet on which we do our work, it is made of grids, and grid is a combination of rows and columns which look like that. States are based on some rows and some columns. So every column is identified by the letter, and every row is identified by the number. Or we can say that every number is identified by the row and every letter identified by the letter. Now these are your cells. Cell is intersect through a column and row. So an active cell is a cell in which you are currently entering your data. Just like this is your cell and you want to add two numbers. So there is a ribbon bar which has some tools. By using these tools, there is also a formula bar on which you enter the formula and then you add these two numbers 2 plus 3 and then you get the result in the next cell. The answer is 5, and here is a little bar which show the active cell results. Just like this cell have number of 5, then it showed at C1. Why? Can anyone tell me that why it shows C1? Yes, very good. So it shows C1 because it intersects with the C column and one row. Very good. Now class, you know very well that what is cell and what is an active cell. So we are going to learn some basic things about spreadsheet. This is your title bar which have close button, maximize button and minimize button. You know the functions of these. So we learn further more. So title bar is on the top of the screen. Then after the title bar there is a ribbon bar which have all the important tools which you can say that these tools are very useful and helpful to create your worksheet. Now can anyone tell me that the bar which is located at the bottom of the screen, what is it called? Yes, very good. It's your status bar which show the status of your program or your worksheet. So here we get the status of the worksheet. Here The number shows that how many sheets you open on the screen, and the bold one shows that this sheet you are currently using. So this is your title bar, ribbon, status bar, and who can tell me that what this area called? Yes, very good. This area called worksheet because you are doing some work here. Its name shows that you are doing work here, so that's why we call it worksheet. And this is all your spreadsheet, and this software on which you are working, this is your spreadsheet software, which is MS Excel. Then after opening the MS Excel, the sheet you see on the screen is called spreadsheet, and then on which part you are working, that called worksheet. Okay class, now we are going to know some details about the tools. The first one is your title bar, and it has three main functions, which is minimize, maximize and close. Can anyone tell me that what is the function of close? Yes, very good. Close button is used to remove your sheet. Very good. And then remove your sheet means that you have done your work, you have to save it, and then you close it because you are not more interested to do it, and you have done your work, so you close it. Then your maximize button. Who tells me the maximize button function? Yes, very good. To make large your screen or enhance your screen, just like if you have a worksheet like this, then if you make to large it is look like this. And it always has also one more function, that if you have to, it's a new function in new Windows, just like Windows 10 and Windows 11. You have a new function that if you want to work on two programs at a time, then you have to maximize it, and it make your size bigger or smaller. Then you can do work on dual programs at a time, just clicking on it. Then the last one is your minimize button. Can anyone tell me that for what purpose minimize button is used? Yes, very good. Minimize button is used to hide the screen. Very good. You have to know that this is your screen, which is active screen, and you are working on it. Then inactive screen is a screen which is behind your currently used work screen. You can say that this is your computer screen, which also has status bar. There is a start menu. There are some icons, just like you know that there are this PC, recycle bin, and other icons which are more important you use in your daily routine. So there are some icons placed. This is your monitor screen. This is your start menu. This is your status bar. So this is a screen which is active screen, because you are using it. Then when you open the worksheets spreadsheet software by using the steps which we learned in the previous lesson, firstly you have to open your desktop. This is your desktop. Then you have to click on the start menu. Good. Then what's the next step? Yes, very good. Click on the all program option. Then, yes, very good. Then you have the menu of, you also say that it's a pop-up menu, because in computer language we say that a menu is a pop-up menu because it have a multiple choices. So after clicking on all program option, we get the option of Microsoft Office, and then Microsoft, or by clicking on Microsoft Office, we also get the some different options, from which we click on Microsoft Excel to make our spreadsheet, because Microsoft Excel is a, yes, very good. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software, and to make spreadsheet we have to open firstly Microsoft Excel. Then after opening Microsoft Excel, we click on blank document. Very good. Then when we open the Microsoft Excel, there is also a screen which covers the whole screen. I just make it because for your knowledge. So it also covers the full screen of your monitor, but this is just for your knowledge that this is your active screen. But when you open the Microsoft Excel, then this is your active screen, or you can say this is your active window, and the screen behind this is called inactive window. Okay class, now we are going to do our written work. Open your copies. Okay class, now we are going to write the answer of our question, that what is spreadsheet software. So who tell me that what is spreadsheet software? Who come here to write the answer? Very good. So the answer is spreadsheet is an application. Spreadsheet is an application software you have to write the capital A of application and capital S for software, because these are the terms. So spreadsheet is an application software. Now who can further tell me that what we write to read our answer? Yes, very good. So it is a program for entering, calculating, analyzing, and manipulating set of numbers. So who tell me the meaning of entering? What is the purpose of entering here? Yes, very good. To enter or insert your words in the program. Yes, very good. Your alphabetic data, numeric data, and alphanumeric data. Very good. Then what is calculating purpose? Yes, very good, Dawood. It is financial software, so that's why we calculate the numbers and yes, very good. We count the data which we enter in the spreadsheet. Yes, very good. And what is the purpose of analyzing? Yes. Yes, very good. Analyzing means that you are going to examine something that is it correct or not, or the results which you want, is it according to them or not. Yes. Then manipulating. Yes. And the last one is manipulating. Manipulating means to control or to operate. When it's obvious that when you enter your data, then you have to calculate it because it's your financial program. Then you have to analyze it, and after analyzing it, if you need some changes, then you have to operate it to control it by doing some changes in this. And these are all based on the set of the numbers. So class, this is your all spreadsheet software. I think hope that you learn very well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.